I'm Charlie Munger. I'm 99 years old. I've been investing for over 70 years, and I'm worth about $2.5 billion. But here's what nobody talks about. I once started a year with less than $0, negative net worth, broke, divorced, drowning in debt, and watching my 9-year-old son die of leukemia while I couldn't afford proper medical treatment. That was 1962. I was 38 years old, rock bottom. So when people ask me, and they do ask me, Charlie, if you had to start 2026 with absolutely nothing, what would you do? I don't have to guess. I lived it. I clawed my way out of that hole once, and if I had to do it again today, starting this year with $0, I know exactly what I'd do. Not theory, not hope, not some motivational garbage about positive thinking. I'm talking about a specific, step-by-step plan based on 70 years of actually doing this. A plan that works whether the economy is good or bad, whether the market is up or down, whether you're 25 or 55. Because here's the truth most people don't understand. Starting with nothing isn't your biggest problem. Your biggest problem is that you don't have a plan. You're making it up as you go. You're copying what broke people do, wondering why you stay broke. I'm about to give you the exact plan I used, the same principles that took me from negative net worth to billions. And if you're starting 2026 broke or nearly broke, or just feeling behind, this might be the most important 20 minutes you spend all year. Because at the end of this, you're going to know exactly what to do, month by month, dollar by dollar. No confusion, no excuses, just the plan. Let's begin. If I woke up tomorrow with $0, I wouldn't panic. I'd smile. Why? Because starting with nothing gives you 3 massive advantages. Advantage 1, you can take risks they can't. When you have nothing to protect. You're free, and that freedom is more valuable than money. I see it constantly. Guy making $200,000 a year, spending $195. Big house, car payments, private school. He's trapped, terrified to switch jobs or start that business. You can bet on yourself, because what's the worst that happens? You're still broke? You're already there. Advantage 2. Your mistakes cost almost nothing. Try something and it fails, you lost a few $100. When I make a mistake now, it costs millions. When Warren makes a mistake, billions. But you can afford to experiment. Try 3 different ways to make money. 2 fail? Doesn't matter. The 3rd works. Advantage 3. Time is still on your side. Poverty compounds just like wealth. Every year between 20 and 40 that you waste costs you about $100,000 in retirement money. But starting right now, you can make up for lost time. Now, here's the hard part. Most people watching this will end 2026 exactly where they started. They'll make resolutions on January 1st, break them by January 10th. They'll blame inflation, their boss, the government. In 12 months, same spot. Don't be that person. I'm about to give you a plan that works. 7 specific steps. Follow it, and by year end, you will have money saved and income streams that didn't exist before. But you have to commit, not for a week, for the entire year. Let's begin. Step 1. January. Stop the bleeding. If you're starting with $0, money is leaving faster than it's coming in. That stops today. Here's what I'd do. Write down every place money goes, every subscription, every payment, every habit. Then cut half of it. Car payment? Sell it. Buy a 7-year-old Honda Civic for $4,000 cash. That eliminates $400 in payments plus $150 in insurance. $550 a month freed up. That's $6,600 over the year. Eating out? Gone. Cook everything. Rice, beans, eggs, chicken, pasta, frozen vegetables. $5 or $6 a day. Most people spend $15 on lunch alone. That's $4,000 to $5,000 saved annually. Subscriptions? Netflix, Spotify, gym membership? Cancel it all. Read library books. Do push-ups at home. That's another $1,000 a year. I can hear you. But Charlie, I deserve to enjoy life. The only thing you deserve when you're broke is to stop being broke. Everything else is a luxury you haven't earned yet. I'm not saying live like this forever. 1 year, 12 months. In exchange, you get your financial life back. That's January. Stop the bleeding. Live lean. Every dollar you don't spend starts working for you next month. Step 2. February and March. Earn more money. 2 months with one focus. Earn more money than you've ever earned. Hard truth, you cannot invest your way out of poverty. Putting $50 a month into index funds won't change your life this year. You need help now. Forget investing for 60 days. Your only job is increase income. Find your most valuable skill and sell it. Can you write? Offer website copy to small businesses. $500 per project. Can you edit videos? Every business needs video content. $300 to edit a 10-minute video. Can you code? Simple websites, WordPress fixes. Can you speak clearly? Commission sales, solar, roofing, insurance. Here's the key. Work 3 jobs. Full-time during the day, whatever pays most. Freelance evenings, 3 to 4 hours. Weekend gig, DoorDash, moving furniture, cleaning houses. Another $400 to $600 a month. That's too hard. I'll burn out. What's harder? Working 70 hours for 2 months or being 65 and broke? 2 months, 8 weeks of maximum effort. Goal? Save $5,000 by April 1st. $5,000 gives you options. It's leverage. And psychologically, having $5,000 in the bank changes you. You stop thinking like a broke person. Step 3. April through June. Build the emergency wall. You hit 5,000. Every instinct says invest it. Don't. Not yet. Here's what I've watched happen 1,000 times. Someone saves 5,000, gets excited, buys stocks. Then their car breaks down, medical bill, job loss. They need money now, so they sell at a loss, back to zero. They quit. Instead, April through June, build the emergency wall. 10,000 in cash in a high-yield savings account earning 4%. Investment experts will say this is stupid. You're losing to inflation. Ignore them. They've never been broke. The worst position isn't cash earning 4%. It's no cash when life hits you. 3 months. Same intensity. Keep working multiple streams. Keep living lean. Save the next 10,000. By June, you have 15,000 total. Something shifts. You stop feeling desperate. You stop making fear-based decisions. 15,000 buys time. Lose your job? Survive 4 to 6 months. Emergency? Handle it without debt. This is the foundation every wealthy person has. Not sexy, but essential. Step 4. July and August. Invest in yourself. Now we invest, but not in stocks. In yourself. You have 15,000. 10 is emergency fund. Don't touch it. That other 5,000, first investment capital. The highest return investment right now is your own earning ability. Here's how I'd spend it. 2,000 on skills that directly increase income. Making 18 an hour? Get certified to make 30 an hour. Coding bootcamp, electrician apprentice, real estate license, CDL for truck driving. Spend 2,000 to earn 12 more per hour. That's 25,000 extra annually. Over 1,000% return. 1,000 on tools that produce income. Writer? Buy a laptop. Build things? Quality tools. Sell things? Buy inventory. Own the means of production. 1,000 on networking. Industry conferences, professional groups, coffee with people where you want to be. Every major opportunity I've had came from knowing the right person. Keep 1,000 as opportunity fund for deals that pop up. But Charlie, I want stocks. Stocks will be there next year with more money. Right now, close the income gap. By September, earn 30 to 40% more per hour than January. Step 5. September and October. Build passive income. By September, completely different position. 10,000 emergency fund, 5,000 in skills, earning more per hour, still living lean. Now build passive income, real income that works while you sleep. Option 1. Dividend stocks. Save another $3,000, put it into boring, reliable companies. Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola. Companies paying dividends for 50 years. At 4% yield, $3,000 generates $120 a year, $10 a month. Sounds like nothing, but that's $10 you didn't work for. Next month, add $300 more. Month after, another $300. By December, $10 becomes $40. Next year, $200 a month. 5 years, $2,000 a month. That's how wealth builds. Slowly, then all at once. Option 2, rental property. By year end, maybe $20,000 total. FHA loan, 3.5% down on a small duplex. Live in one unit, rent the other. Rent covers your mortgage. Build equity. Get housing nearly free. 10 years, own a $200,000 asset. Step 6. November. The discipline test. November. You're exhausted. 10 months grinding, living lean, working multiple jobs. Holidays coming. Everyone's spending. This is where most break. I've been good all year. I deserve to treat myself. They blow $2,000 on gifts and travel. January comes, back to broke. November and December destroy more progress than any other months. People confuse earning money with having money. Earned $60,000 doesn't mean you have $60,000. Spent $58,000, you have $2,000. That's the only number. Here's what I do. Spend nothing extra. Zero holiday inflation. Give gifts that cost nothing. Time, homemade food, handwritten letters. Tell family straight up, I'm building a foundation this year. Next year, more generous. This year, finish what I started. Some will judge you. Let them. They're not paying your bills. Review the last 10 months. How much earned, saved, where versus plan, what worked, what didn't. November isn't celebrating, it's protecting progress, crossing the finish line without tripping. Hold the line, stay disciplined. Almost there. Step 7. December, plan year 2. If you followed this, here's where you are. $10,000 emergency fund. Second income stream generating $50 to $200 monthly. Increased primary income $15,000 to $20,000 annually. New skills and certifications. Proven you can delay gratification and execute. 12 months. Zero to solvent. Broke to building. But you're not done, just getting started. December, plan year 2. Year 2 accelerates. Don't build foundation, you have it. Take bigger risks. Invest more aggressively. Start that business. Buy that property. Leave that limiting job. Why? 6 months expenses saved. Backup income stream options. Year 1 is defense. Year 2 is offense. Write out year 2. Income goal, savings target. Next skill, next investment. Life in 24 months. Commit like year 1. No half measures. Most people never start. Who start, most quit in 90 days. Who make 90 days, most break in holidays. Make it all 12 months, top 5% of people changing financial life. Not broke, not desperate, not starting over. An investor. Building wealth. Next year, build more. 7 steps, 12 months, zero to wealth foundation. This plan works. Same plan I followed in the 60s when broke. Same principles Warren followed. Same approach every self-made wealthy person used. But most won't do it. You'll finish this, nod along, say it makes sense, then go back to exactly what you were doing. Spending money you don't have, hoping for magic, waiting for the perfect moment. Next year, same spot, same apartment, same debt, same excuses. Don't be that person. Starting 2026 with nothing? Choice right now. Waste another year or commit to this plan. Not for a week, the entire year. I'm 99 years old, 7 decades doing this. Follow this plan in 12 months, you will not recognize your financial life. But you have to start, today, right now. Stop the bleeding. Increase income. Build emergency fund. Invest in yourself. Create passive income. Stay disciplined through holidays. Plan next year. That's it, the whole plan. The question is, will you do it?